Here are 8 of the most commonly used natural and non-natural mole removal methods. Method 1. Garlic. The 3 items you will need for this method include petroleum jelly, a band-aid, and some crushed garlic. To prevent the surrounding skin around the mole from being burnt by the garlic, start by applying some petroleum jelly around the mole while making sure not to get any on the mole itself. Add some crushed garlic over top of the mole and then cover it up with a band-aid. For best results, the garlic should be kept on the mole throughout the day and night, with reapplications of both garlic and petroleum jelly being conducted daily for up to 1 to 2 weeks or until the mole has fallen off. Method 2. Apple cider vinegar, also known as ACV. The 4 items you will need for this method include cotton, petroleum jelly, band-aids, and apple cider vinegar. Like with the garlic method, start by applying some petroleum jelly around the mole while making sure not to get any on the mole itself. Soak a small mole-sized amount of cotton in ACV before placing it over top of the mole and securing it in place with a band-aid. For best results, this ACV-dipped cotton should be kept on the mole throughout the day and night, with reapplications of both ACV and petroleum jelly being conducted daily for up to 1 to 2 weeks or until the mole has crusted up and fallen off. Method 3. Salicylic acid. Often used for the removal of warts, salicylic acid can be used to remove a mole in as little as 3 to 5 days depending on the size and location of the mole. For those who want to use this method, salicylic acid can be found everywhere from your local pharmacy to Walmart and Amazon, and is often marketed as a wart removal kit, such as seen in the image on your screen. Method 4. Banana peel soaked in apple cider vinegar. For this method to work, simply soak some banana peel in apple cider vinegar overnight. After the peel has been thoroughly soaked, rub the inside of the peel over the mole for around 2 to 3 minutes, then covering it with a bandage twice daily. This process normally takes around 1 to 2 weeks. Method 5. Iodine. This method works by applying 5% iodine solution directly to a mole, then covering it with a bandage twice daily. Since iodine will not burn the skin like garlic or apple cider vinegar, this method is great for those with sensitive skin. However, this method is much slower and can take up to several weeks before results have been achieved. Method 6. Tea tree oil. This method works by applying 100% tea tree oil to a mole with the use of a cotton swab or Q-tip twice daily. For those with sensitive skin, the use of a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, can be mixed with the tea tree oil. For those who would like to use a carrier oil, it is suggested to mix 1 teaspoon of coconut oil with 5 drops of tea tree oil. Method 7. Freezing. Often conducted by a dermatologist or physician, this method works by quickly spraying a mole with liquid nitrogen, which will cause it to die and fall off. Method 8. Mole removal creams. There are many different types of mole creams on the market, some of which working better than others. To find the right mole cream, it is suggested that a cream be chosen based on its overall market reviews and ratings. Since Amazon has a very hard-to-hack review system, it is suggested that before purchasing a product on any marketplace, it is first reviewed on Amazon.com. As always, if you found this information useful, please help us out by giving us a like and smashing that subscribe button.